Testing mic 1 2 1 2. Masonfo Madiina Watumoto the General, aka Political General, aka Kumasi Mayor, aka Social Media President. The first time I share the media. Let's also subscribe to my YouTube na wahwe ediaman kama na channel so say oba mia notification bell na ewo YouTube so no ewo phone so subscribe and notification no click so no and anytime you am the video between be sabeka na kwhwe bi amanta and will leave you comments so whether positive or negative na aboa ma dwumadi ni din ay kama say dwumadi bi say di na iba ba ko ntimi ni nti aboafo so mase ema me dwumadi bira odan ne dan nyina Kemesa Stabilities papa yi unze me number bi na me de kan na mo papa yi atofu amano ya mi shira papa yi ba Kemesa Stabilities odin dwumadi nyina wo ye Afranchu Bronco Junction oye lotto agent ko akukuda mo ko dwa Kumasi untimi nka omo na onyi Kemesa mfiri enam empanifo akukuda bia ehye Kemesa achinti ati ko mona se Mr. Adams Frank and Hot omo ye Kemesa edie Kemesa boss ene omo ti se akukuda mi eta wachia enim gwa se be da kan ati se omo yo gorofo ti ama Kemesa Stabi no hayin pa also eboa dwumadi emi sira papa ni kese saa so na Rogers Beauty Palace eba manwo sisia Rogers Beauty Palace eba che say they are there omo Afranchu opposite church we bank no kona Rogers Beauty Palace insisi kama ba saa so na Prestige Court ewo ahenema kokobin inside Santasi Pastasi road no ahenema kokobin duru kokobin new site junction so ko Prestige Court akwa do no saa so na Kusi Casual ba se yempa matari nche ni paria o number 1 Kusi Casual o bantama o ni nyina bless up Kusi o ni nyina woni guso ehwe kwan bia ohwa be duru ba bi we no start free offense so eboase no say offense so oboase excuse me ede ba be fa yensua oba betiesi ebi ti say offense to mu ho ode ba hinkuru na wa hwe nyame anim ekwan a nipa nam so nti amani abere se amanim nti se ekwan ne nya na lighting system sa nya we be betima koso anytime bia because in wura obi hye akira na o de ka free ba na o ye wanwe so be ko suru jack oba be give them MP so ho MP ho assemblyman what are you doing from the committee members what are you guys also doing mumbo ne ya mai nyina anye mai nyina ekwan wi ne ye pam akonfo adwagu so a obeda kura atiti yesere mo contractors no se ka se mo koya manem kwana me manenyam se hodi ase enye busy road nti munya ni biara ase mahwe wu ase amanem kwana nyina no amu ye ni biara nti enche na ase asai ara na mo yesa kuna na mo bokuru kasa esi asembe kura na nipa hunu ko dwa etimia iwia na bebre mu abai uwa de oye bia woni da asembe na okay adia wi nti ase mpa ne den MP awda offense bia twi nani asope kuru ni ye batie nyina MP kuru ni mi amate ya make say mitimu bibi o mantam mitimu bibi o ma we o se kam me react no ase me ye menye kuru ni so nyina de hwa amana wi o ko kotomu kura wu yesere mo Yes, sir. In painful. Intimi be didi matem de biasa o de bi o. Mo bi na me da so na papa ya kofo do no manager beje. Papa ya mahama no manager beje. Sedun ketia. Oh, ni mani beje. But yan kasa so a emwa. Yan kasa emwa. It's very disgusting because when I catch him say we MP we feel proud. Kuyi na kasana. Obi dey no beto. Because antes I wasn't getting a go her. It's your mokura. It's that you will die. Maybe you no me have you by you're not it. 1,000 days cry, 1,000 times cry. You're not because just anymore. That's what about Oba. You couldn't pen where man. But that's a weird thing. Yeah, dear. No, but at the end of the day, when you're sorry, I need to cool myself. Miss one, you will be a new. Your part, I'm swimming in the part. That's I suppose swimming in the part. Be in part of that. And never boy. I say, I see you near Jabba for that. In fact, it's high time say we think as a country, not as party members. You say Ghana ni. What I say, Ghana ni okay ukuri. You could see say a kwani you rough. You can say raw food. We need raw food. What it is. You say you should talk right there. They are dead. The me and me chicken and me say video my dear. You get it? It's very dangerous. Yes, sir. Ubi ha me di do bi atemo ha. Nyatem di asem. E begging. O se mo ye because mo ye omo mte sa yin because o ka okọ e bi se kokote oboase. Nka onko fato mu okra nko ha ho tententen. Ka wo fa sa kwa na so kokopie ofenso boase. Ofenso empehene. Ofenso kokote domi what I say. Yes, sir. Monye. Obeti maye. Once my ba betiasi kwenu. I'm doing actually I group. What I say. Ubiani asem. Ubiani asem. Ahana yiduri na hadi yaguno. Enyefe.
Banta bitama na why say ready apology letter. From
SM1.
There. Press release from on camp. Onza papa and come on nankasa no mu de ntiase anim. Sami Flex or your big man power ya juma. I said the way no ya kwakwa say aboakotre on. Aboakotre why white now. Why white from Nenkola Brima Osi from no. Onsa what the black beaver so. Sami mi hu ne pa before say yeah appointing say Shatawale manager. Papa ana ka metwa me konkora na metwa me hu bibia kan say bossu ade even ko ade manim bypass wa ka betima catch a big man because right now men am control social media na disrespect eba man na so no ano odene oba eye ha say e trend say eye PRO for 5 pack or hwan ya abroji 8 we say I see nothing wrong with Shatawale attacks on Stonebwoy. It is Otrano or no yes abantana. Still now was I feel no. woni trim wa build ade no woni trim say wanye masa ke kan wadwen kire no eni nti obi tro fro bu e ka che ne say nti say wo abro obi didi watema wo be pa apology wo di ni trim hye wo si dabi abro si dabi enti papa abro si dabi dia e na ko fikira ta e be ka tro say oh you can never advise a fool wo ha say
nipa no na ti street
abro ko ko fikira ta ko
na say abro na wo so kan na say mi Mane kana se mnwe mane I'm sorry. Mane over here so is train. Bedu mic no twice.
Papa, I say the musician noted that even in the Bible acknowledge the fact that some individuals are fools due to how they behave.
I say I don't have problem with the press release nana.
Problem baby because Papa to me said they appear to you to say oh the advantage and say me anymore. Sad no.
Press release no.
Oh papa bro for no kra no maybe the man come school ni bi but me te apa me 2x4 no offense so de no and sisi so ma me kra. Etina abro na 5-pack PR no. Was akwa shata wale PR. No ye ni ye.
You see the